Today we're going to discuss all about CSS and C2. Here is our objectives for today. Number 1, show understanding on the basic concepts of CSS. Number 2, demonstrates appreciation of the relevance of the course. And number 3, explore opportunities in CSS. So, what is CSS? CSS is a short term or the acronym which stands for Computer System Servicing. It is one of the national level certificates which is labeled as Level 2 or NC2 of TESDA courses. There are many courses offered by the TESDA, one of which is the electronics or EPAS. Another is electrical. Another one is plumbing. And there are many more skills courses offered by TESDA. Now, what if you will have this qualification? What are you going to undergo? All these trainings in computer system servicing NC2 will have at least 3 competencies you need to undergo. There are 3 competencies that actually our TESDA skill or TESDA course being offered for us to undergo. These 3 competencies are the basic competencies, the common competencies, and the core competencies. Each of the competencies have a specific competency listed in different code numbers, and these code numbers with these competencies are actually seen in your national level 2 certificate. Now, what are the basic competencies? The basic competencies are participate in workplace communication, work in a team environment, practice career professionalism, and practice occupational health safety procedures. What are the common competencies? The common competencies are apply quality standards, perform mensuration and calculation, prepare and interpret technical drawing, perform computer operations, use hand tools, terminate and connect electrical wiring and electronic device, test electronic components. Now, the core competencies or the unit of competencies, otherwise known as unit of competencies, are the competency that actually you are trying to surpass when you apply for the assessment. These competencies are needed to be passed for one who is undergoing the assessment for TESDA. What are the core competencies? With code ELC 7243 72331 to ALC 72434. These are the core competencies. UC1, install and configure computer systems. UC2, to set up computer networks. UC3, set up computer servers. And UC4, maintain and repair computer systems and networks. What will happen if you passed? So this is the example of the National Certificate Level 2 of Computer System Servicing. This is actually my CSS NC2 certificate. Now, what are significant here is the thing that I have told you about the competencies. So the list of the competencies are actually listed here. This means that you already have passed this and undergone all this training. So here it is. The basic competencies, you have this 4. Common competencies, you have 7. And the unit codes that I have told you is actually this one. And the core competencies is 4. This one. So don't worry when you reach your grade 12 and you will have your training. Definitely you can have this if and only if you attend the assessment. If you undergo training and then you pass the training but you did not attend the assessment, which some of my students have done, sayang lang yung kanilang training. You just waste their time undergoing training and yet you did not pass the NC2 in computer system servicing because they did not attend the assessment. So it is very important that if you undergo training, you pass the training and you pass the assessment. You have to attend. Okay? So what if you have achieved this qualification? Well, first of course, you have received your certificate, your CSS NC2 qualification. And you can be a computer assembler, you can be a computer service technician, a network technician, or computer technician. So that's all the opportunity being offered to you, or a possible job that you can land later on if you pass this qualification. So that's all for today. Until we meet again. Good day.